Hey guys, today is extra exciting for me because I am planning with Rachel from Plan with the Rach Mark. She has one of the most well-rounded planning channels I've ever come across, from just plan with me's to setups. She really gives you a good overview of different kinds of planners, so whether you're into planning now already or if you're new, you'll definitely find her channel to be very, very resourceful. And not to mention her Instagram. And she has like a wazillion coupon codes, so if that's not a reason within itself, I don't know what is. But her Instagram is also super on point. It's really perfect. Like, guys, I know it sounds like I'm exaggerating, but you'll have to check it out for yourself and you'll know exactly what I'm saying. I'll link everything in the description below. But diving into this plan with me, I'm using Caress Press's August Mystery Kits mini kit, and Rachel's using the full kit. We'll both be doing Plan with me's in the Erin Condren, just so you get to compare and contrast how the stickers lay out in a full spread. I was a little nervous in the beginning because I've never planned with a mini kit before, but it is totally doable. I did pull in some headers from Scribble Prints Co., but in hindsight, I think I could have made do with the remaining washi. I think I could have definitely cut little headers and created glitter headers, especially since now they're the rage. I think next time I will get a single sheet a la carte of the full box checklist, and then like that I'll have less white space. I did shade in the white space with a color pencil just to give it a little extra texture, but overall totally doable with the mini kit if you are on a budget, or if you're like me and you like using up as many stickers as possible in a kit. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Rachel's Plan with me, and I will talk to you next time.